What's up, everybody? It's your girl Niesa Marie coming back to you with another video. Today I'm going to do a little photo shoot today, so I decided to give you guys a photo shoot look ready, photo shoot ready look. Nothing too crazy. You want to stay golden because it is kind of nice outside. But yeah, if you guys like this look, keep on watching. Oh, wait, before we do all of that, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Join my little family. You know, it's gonna be great times ahead. I got some good things planned for you guys. But yeah, keep watching. Ooh, damn, I look good. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel once again. I'm going to be showing you guys my little cute photo shoot lookbook. I'm using the Lancome UV Expert. It's a primer, also a moisturizer. I'm actually really enjoying this stuff. Influencer sent me some products to test out, and this happened to be one of them. I really like it. I've been adding it into my skincare routine. I like the way it makes my skin feel, and it's also it's protecting you from the sun. So I'm down. I'm not trying to make sure my black does not crack. So yeah, next we're going to start with the Nars primer. I went shopping a couple weeks ago and I got some Nars products to test out, and this is actually my first time using it. At that point, me rubbing it to my skin, it had like this cooling sensation, and it felt so good. It's really hard to describe, but yeah, so I know I doubled up on the primer, but I want to make sure that I stay matte and look good in my pictures. So yeah, and I mean, I'm not how much sure you need to see me putting primer on. So are we done, sis? You done? Okay, yeah, rub it in. Alright, cool. Now I'm going to use Nars. I have no idea what color I am. I probably should get that. I'm going to let you guys all know what I'm using in the description box. But yeah, I'm using the Nars foundation. I put some on my hand and I use this flat brush and to rub it all in. What's taking so long? Jeez. Okay, so here I wasn't sure what was going on. It looked very light, and I thought maybe the guy who gave it to me was tripping. You know, I'm like, this is not my skin color, like at all. But eventually it blended out very well. And we're gonna skip forward because, girl, like, y'all know how to apply foundation. I hope so by now. So we're just gonna like skip. Ooh, okay, yes, we looking good. Alright, next we are going to use almonds. I'm just kidding, that's not the color I'm using. But now we're just gonna apply our concealer. I like to do, you know, the little triangle under my eyes, and then I do my chin, and I do like a little sun on my forehead. Oh, that looks so good. Wow, okay, I see you. I really liked how creamy and radiant this is. Hint that is why it's probably called the Radiant Cream Concealer. But yeah, we're gonna do that. This takes forever, huh, G? Looking like Simba. Alright, now as you see, I applied it all over my face. Next, I am going to do my brows. You know, this is a simple brow thing. I just brush these bad boys up. I don't have any eyebrows, so like I'm gonna have to like not record this part so y'all don't see. Ooh, and look at them brows, honey. I've always wanted to do that little thing. But now we're gonna use the ColourPop brow gel. You know, brush these bad boys up, make them look as natural as I can, because I really don't have them. And at the time, I did get my eyebrows done, guys, right now, but at the time they was all over the place, and I just honestly I don't know how I even pull that off. Now we're gonna blend to the gods. And yeah, we're just gonna keep blending. Off camera, you guys can see I did put some setting spray and a little bit of water to just like help blend everything out because she has been sitting, she's been cooking. I don't know. Oh, I was like, I don't know what's going on here. It didn't look like my forehead was blending properly, so I was getting really nervous that y'all was gonna see it. But eventually, I just blend. I was just blending as hard as I could. Yeah, I think I'm on crack when I did this video. Ooh, how you doing? Hey, pop. Next, we're gonna sculpt them cheeks, darling. Also using the Nars brows. Oh my god, Nars creamy concealer. I just in a darker shade. I don't know if you guys can already tell, but there's already like an indent, I guess, on my cheeks where it's like perfect. Or maybe everyone's like that, but I also haven't paid attention to everyone else's cheeks, so don't come for me in the comments. Yeah, so we're also gonna contour this nose, this Negro nose that I got. And I do little dots on my forehead because I do got a 5 head, but not too crazy. I don't want to look, I do it very light. I don't want to look unblendable. I'm trying to be unclockable. And sometimes some of y'all be coming up, be contouring your forehead, and honey, you're clockable. I see it. So here we are blending again. Oh, yes. Yes. Them cheeks. Sculpted. Next, I am blending my nose with some type of brush. I wish I knew what my brushes were called. Honestly, I just be buying brushes, and I'm like, ooh, this looks like they will work. That's how you know I'm not really a makeup artist. I just fake it till I make it. We're going to use what is this? Beauty Bakery flour. We're going to set under the eyes because mama gets oily under there. This is a BH Cosmetics palette. What? Oh, see. Now you look crazy. Anyways. I'm using some colors in here. What did I use? I guess I'm going to show you in a second, right? I was having trouble figuring out what color I was going to use, to be honest. That's why I made that face. You know, as I'm recording this voiceover, I didn't realize how boring this could be. We're about to speed this up in 3, 2, 1. Alright, now that you guys see me try to blend some mascara, oh my gosh, what the heck, some eyeshadow. We're just gonna dust off the remaining cocaine off my face. Ooh, wow, them cheeks. You gotta come through, sis. What am I doing here? Oh, I think I'm doing that Jackiana inner corner highlight is what I'm doing. I sure did. Next, we're about to do lash time. It's lash time. Please, Jackiana, please don't sue me. Mascara here. I think I was waiting for the eyelashes to dry. Okay, now when I tell y'all, these are the MAC eyelashes, and the band is so skinny. And I usually can apply falsies on, right? But it has to be a thick band, and so I have no idea what I was thinking. I was struggling. Like, look, I'm getting irritated because it was not going on my eye the way I wanted to. And my lashes are naturally curly, so it makes it even harder because, or I just don't know what I'm doing. That could be it. From that BH Cosmetics palette, there's some blushes in there, and I got frustrated, so I was like, I'm gonna go on to the blushes. Alright, here we are, trying again. I think I finally got it. Oh no, girl, you still struggling? Okay. Oop! Flicking off because I'm so irritated. Clearly I got irritated again. So next we're going to use this Nars blush. It's called Taj Mahal. I really love it, but I don't use it as blush, actually as highlight because it's so golden. It's beautiful. Alright, let's try another lash. And I think I did better on this one. That looks crazy. My facial expressions are honestly the best. You still struggling, huh? We gonna get it. We are gonna get it. I believe in you, sis. What the hell are you doing though? Alright, I finally got them on. Now we're going to use some NYX lip gloss. I wanted to keep a glossy feel. I've been really into glosses. I used to be really into lipsticks, but I don't think lipsticks look good on me anymore. But I don't think I maybe have found the right lipstick, so I stick to glosses. I also got a Fix-It spray when I went shopping a couple weeks ago when I got new makeup. I love this because it smells... Girl, how much do you need? That's a lie. You never can need... What am I saying? You can never need too much lip gloss. Anyways, this Fix-It spray smells like lavender. It smells beautiful. Where are you going? Oh, shake it. Shake it all. Cause tomorrow ain't the same. And you keep on playing games. Ooh, feeling myself. Aw, she's so cute. Yep. Cool it off, cool it off, cool it off. Hey, cool it off, drop. Hey. Oh, okay, well, I guess that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this crappy voiceover. Make sure to follow me on all social platforms, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.